You know that part of Hawaii where Jurassic Park was filmed? Well, we're gonna take you there.
Aloha, I'm Angie.
I'm Preston. I'm Parker. And we're the Justtwobrosin.
And I'm Alan, and we're a family who loves traveling and sharing all of our experiences with you guys. And in this one, we're gonna tell you about a tour that we did in Kauai that was incredible, and we're gonna tell you how it could have been even better.
To do it, so this was a surprise for us.
And a nice surprise.
A nice surprise.
There it is. We wanted to do one that was doorless, but there was a minimum age of 13 years old. And there's another one that lands right where the movie was filmed. They have permission from the landowners to land there every single time, and that one was booked too.
But we found one that was just right for our boys.
That's right. Oh man.
Thank you for finding the good one.
Aww.
I love anything that has to do with helicopters and planes, so I was super excited for this.
A tip for you is to wear a black top so your reflection doesn't mess up your pictures or videos. But if we don't have one, it's okay, right?
They give you one at the place.
That's right. They let you borrow a black shirt so you don't mess up your own photos or videos.
Like I just did by farting. At least we didn't hear it.
Nobody sees that, but it stinks over here. This guy's farting up a storm.
It takes off from a section of the airport just for helicopters, and then the fun begins.
Da, 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 da. The views from up there were incredible.
You could see for miles up there. It was really cool driving, or flying I should say, through all those canyons and seeing the waterfalls really close to us. Even rain, right guys?
Yeah.
What did the pilot say?
You need rain to make rainbows.
That's right.
And off he went.
To me, the most beautiful part was the Napali Coast. To see such virgin land there where only locals live and even have access to was just amazing. Only 20% of Kauai is accessible by roads. The rest, air and sea.
Aria, tell us a little bit more about the Napali Coast.
The Napali Coast is a stretch of 17 miles of sacred land characterized by incredible natural beauty, with towering razor-sharp cliffs, narrow valleys, streams and cascading waterfalls. It is only accessible by air and sea tours, which is why it still looks like it did centuries ago when the Hawaiians settled in the area.
It was so beautiful. Like, super beautiful.
It was indeed amazing.
And about an hour long. We can't wait to come back and do the one without doors, which is gonna be more likely 7 years.
When Preston is 13.
That's
and
right.
you'll be 15.
We'll be back.
Or 14. We'll be back.
We were very thankful for landing safely, and we would definitely recommend this experience in Kauai.
If you like this video, give it a like and share it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos like these.
And also hit that bell button so your notifications are on and you can be notified as soon as we upload a new video, because we have a lot of cool content coming up.
It's about 4, right?
A lot more than 4. Aria, tell them what happens if they don't subscribe.
If you don't subscribe to this channel, I won't allow you to book this tour in Hawaii. Ever.
And we'll see you on our next adventure.